I came all the way from Ghana just to come here because I heard her story.
ያንቺን ታሪክ በዩቲዩብ ሰምቼ ከጋና አንቺን ለማየት ነው የመጣው ታሪክ።
ጥሩ ነው።
Literally, you've not eaten for 17 good years.
17 ዓመት ምንም ምግብ እንዳልበላሽ እውነት ነው ወይ?
እውነት ነው።
Yes, true. It's true.
Food?
ምግብ አትበይም?
አልበላም።
No water?
አልጠጣም። No food, no water.
So how do you survive and
ታዲያ መኖር የቻልሽው?
እኖራለሁ ያው እንደ ማንኛውም ሰው ሰራለሁ። ሰራለሁ ምግብ ምንም አድርጌ ሰራለሁ ግን ትዝ አይለኝም።
She even never think of eating food. She always work, just live without food and the water.
What do you do?
ስራ ማንኛውንም ስራ ሰራለሁ ምንም አላስቀርም ስራ።
She can do anything.
Without food and water you still have energy to do stuff.
እንዴት ጉልበት አገኘሽ? ምንም ምግብ ሳትበይ እነዚህን ሁሉ ነገር ማለት
ምንም አይደክመኝም ሰራለሁ። አንዴም በባጃጅ ራሱ ከተማ ድረስ ሂጄ ላቅም በእግሬ ብቻ ነው የሚሄደው።
Even she don't use transportation to go to the city. She walks. She never tires.
Do you feel like this is a God-given talent?
አዎ አምናለሁ።
Yeah, she said, I believe that.
Not even coffee? No coffee? No drink coffee?
አልጠጣም።
No.
ጸበል ራሱ አልጠጣም።
Even this is a holy water that's given from from the church. Even that one she don't drink. The holy drink.
Are you married?
አግብተሻል ወይ?
አዎ ግን አብሬ አልኖርም። ለብቻ ያለ እሱ አዲስ አበባ ነው ያለው።
Yeah, she's married. Yeah.
Husband.
አዎ
እህትሽን በልታ አታውቅም?
አታውቅም? You've never seen her eating?
እርግጠኛ ነሽ በልታ አታውቅም?
አዎ በልታ አታውቅም።
No water.
No water.
For me, this is unbelievable. I've never seen anything like this. But the sister is confirming. I met the younger brother. He's also confirming. Brother, can you believe somebody can survive 17 years without food and water?
Actually, I don't believe that. But when I see her physical condition and everything, maybe.
So before you used to be fat, like you used to be.
አዎ ያው ፎቶ ላይ አዲስ አበባ ይገለ
You won't believe that the same woman who has not eaten nor drank water for 16 good years is also a runner. I mean, an athlete, to the extent that she has even won a silver medal. Oh, wow. Was it for silver, eh? Second position. This is food and water.
ያለ ምግብና ያለ ውሃ ነው ሮጠሽ ሁለተኛ ወጣሽ። ስንት ሜትር ነው?
ስንት ሜትር?
Meters?
10 ሜትር።
100 meters?
አንድ ሺህ? ስንት ኪሎ ሜትር ነው?
አለ ዙሪያ እስከዛ ረጅም ነው።
Okay. You saying something? Yeah.
That's the full. She runs the full stadium, and she